So, number 4, is social media really enough to grow a serious business? No. No. That you are on all social media, there's what is called 360 social media or 360 digital marketing. No. That you're on all the social media does not really grow a business. You just need to identify one channel. And by the way, everything are channels. Okay, some of you listening to me right now, it could be LinkedIn that will change everything for you. It could be YouTube that will change everything for you. It could be Instagram that will change everything for you. One of the platforms that has changed, that has helped me is YouTube. I think currently I have over 300 videos on YouTube. So even if you don't want to pay me, I'm there. I've done a lot. You know, I went to speak in Abuja and somebody's, I think a year or two ago, somebody said he has been following me since 2018, that he has watched all my videos on YouTube. And it was because of me he came for the meeting. The second person, you know, and I was like, I don't understand. Because we had about 6 speakers at that event, and almost 70% of the question was directed to me. And almost all of them were saying, I've been following you, I've been following you, I've been following you. And that's how it is when it comes to you leveraging on social media. Number 2, you need a sales funnel or a system. Now, what does a funnel mean? If you know what a funnel is here, a sales funnel or a business is a revenue system. If you know what a sales funnel is, type in 5. You know what a sales funnel is, type in 5. Type in 5. Type in 5. You do not know, type in 1. And I, good. Fantastic. Now, for a lot of you that don't know, a sales funnel is a workflow that you use in your business to get customers. It is what changes a prospect. It is a workflow is a workflow that moves prospect to customer. So when all the people know you, when all the people that know you come into the funnel, or when they go through your advert, that is them being a prospect. Now, when they are prospects, they have an idea of what you are doing, but they are not interested because you have not given them an offer. So what do? You nurture them. You want to be able to keep giving them messages, engaging with them. And this is why I tell people that it's not everybody that will come to you immediately that will buy. You have to nurture them. Some people, they like what you are selling, but they don't have the money. They don't have the money. Some people, they like what you're doing, but they just want to trust you more. They've gone through a lot. They've wasted money. They've paid some people, and some people have disappointed them. So, and you want them to pay immediately, and you are in the same industry. What makes you different? What makes you different? So you use your nurturing to move them. Some people could go through a nurturing of 6 months, 1 month. Some people could go as much as 5 years before they will eventually buy from you. Somebody has bought from me before and he said, one of the things that made me to pay is because you are consistent. It's because you are consistent. So sales funnel is that workflow before the person eventually pays. Another thing that will help you is that you need to hone your what? Your audience. You need to hone your audience. Don't just leave them on social media. Attract them to a group. Attract them to a WhatsApp group. Attract them to a channel where you can be giving them daily tips. You need to attract them to those places so that you can begin to engage them further. When you move them away from social media and you bring them to channel, to your various uh, 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 platform, your own platform, that's a level of involvement. They start engaging with you. Then, combined with offline or referral, social media makes a lot of sense. So these are the things you need to go fix and be deliberate about it if you really want to scale and do well with your business.